Alright mga kuya, what's up? I am KOKAK and it's time to do some KOKAK mail. Yeah, look at that switchblade. Kind of switchblade. I don't know. Bigay lang sa akin to eh. Yeah, look at that. Cool. Cool blade thingy. Okay, today we're expecting some accessories for the Nintendo Switch and a new gaming headset. These are the Nintendo Switch thingies. Yeah. I am super unbox KOKAK person. Oh, nasisira yung cardboard. Yay! Yay! Okay. So, what we got for the Nintendo Switch? These are some Joy-Con cases. Protective cases. Oh, they clip on. These are from Hori. Wait, that's not yun. Hori. And looks like they're what? Ano yung shape niya? I wanna see this. Sadly, gagawa ko pa ng video ito, but now I wanna see what it's in. Never mind. This is just a KOKAK mail time, so let's just leave that there. Sorry, Hori. Sorry. This is a Japanese product. I-import mo siya kung if you're somewhere else in the world. But in the Philippines, we're able to buy this. Holy crap, come on, dude. Okay. Medyo bendable yung ano niya. Meron siyang cardboard sa loob that looks like the Joy-Con. I like that. Joy-Con for Nintendo Switch. 600 pesos, if I'm not mistaken. Wala lang. I was gonna buy this guy for the Nintendo Switch, which is like 900 pesos, 895. This is a tempered glass. As you can see, 9H hardness. Sa Nintendo Switch. Hard. That's what she said. Hard. Hori, Nintendo Switch. This is 900 pesos. Bibili ako nito because the screen on the Nintendo Switch is very scratchable. It's not Gorilla Glass or glass or anything. And then sabi ko, okay, we have 600 pesos. We might just buy this as well para i-review na rin natin. Anyway, let's move on to this. This is embargoed. Bawal ko siyang ipakita until a certain date. So you'll see this unboxing video after the embargo na lang. So just super top secret video. Holy crap. Oh, okay. Yes. There we go. Yes. Okay, perfect. Yes. Okay. Yay! Here we go. Oh. Sakto lang siya sa kahon ng LBC. Look at that. And it is what? What is it? Check it out. Ang dilim niya, ang ano niya kasi. It is the HyperX Cloud Revolver S. Ganyan natin sa ilaw. HyperX Cloud Revolver S headset, 7.1 surround sound. The newest headset from the most expensive right now actually. Nasa $150 ito. This is the best headset from HyperX. We're gonna review this. Embargo ito. Sorry, may tumatahol na aso sa labas. But man, this is a heavy package. Look at that. I know, sorry, medyo grainy yung ating video. We don't have the most expensive. This is a smartphone. Okay, this is the BlackBerry Priv, by the way. Okay, that's it for our KOKAK mail time. Really excited about all these products. Unfortunately, ang ayaw ko lang dito is I can't show you people right now, so hindi ko pwede i-BTS. But these guys, really happy about these. The controller case looks nice. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching this KOKAK mail time. Bye-bye.